This foldable 88-key Longeye keyboard delivers surprisingly full and clear sound for a portable design, helped by its upward-facing dual 10-watt speakers that project toward the player instead of the table. The hinged body folds neatly in half with a simple latch, so it fits easily in a carrying case or backpack and is practical for practice sessions in small apartments, dorm rooms, or hotel spaces. Its semi-weighted, touch-sensitive keys offer a more piano-like feel than typical springy portable keyboards, responding naturally to soft and strong playing, so beginners can develop proper finger control. A generous selection of built-in tones, rhythms, and demonstration songs, along with support for headphones, external speakers, microphones, and MIDI, makes this instrument flexible for quiet practice, home recording, and casual performance. The included sustain pedal, over-ear headphones, music rest, keyboard stickers, and padded carrying case mean you can start playing immediately without hunting for extra accessories. Overall, this folding digital piano balances portability and playability very well, making it a strong option for new players and traveling musicians who want a compact instrument that still feels and sounds like a real piano.